Hello everyone. Today we want to interview one of lecturer of University of Pamulang. And first, I want to introduce it's me KJ Situmorang and two of my colleagues.
My name is Nazunul Farida.
My name is Baby Marisa Aprilia.
Okay, please pay attention for a moment. From question number 1 is from Marisha.
How does Mrs. Leni communicate with students in class?
By always asking whether part of the material have been explained and can be understood well, or whether an explanation need to be repeated.
Okay, Mrs. I agree with your answer. Asking students about their understanding of the material will encourage those who don't understand to ask questions to be better understand the material. And I have previously analyzed several techniques used by lecturer in teaching, including via e-learning platform, email, or via video conferencing. Activities and judgment, the lecturer attempt to actively involve students in the learning process by asking questions, listening to their response, and encouraging class discussion. Learning planning, lecture plan learning materials, object, and teaching method that are appropriate to the topic and level of student. Use of learning resource, lectures choose textbook, online materials, and other learning resources that are relevant and useful of student. Diversity appreciation, faculty respect individual difference in learning style, background, and abilities, and try to create an inclusive environment.
Okay. The next question is how to be a good lecturer in terms of teaching.
1. Be able to explain complete topic in clear and concise manner. 2. Use positive body language to engage students and convey enthusiasm. 3. Relate the subject matter to real-life situation. Explain why the topic is important and how it is applied in the real world. 4. Integrate multimedia, presentation, and online research to make the lecture more engaging. 5. Treat students with respect and create an inclusive and supportive classroom atmosphere.
Thank you for the answer, Miss. I agree with your answer because it has not been widely used by lecture in terms of teaching. So this could be a new way that can be used to become a good lecturer in terms of teaching. After I analyzed several principles lecture usually used in teaching, I got several things as follows. Number 1, principle of involvement in learning. Lecture encourage student participation, encourage question, and encourage critical thinking. Number 2, principle of effective communication. Lecture communicate clearly and maintain open communication channel with student. Number 3, goal-oriented principle. Lecture set clear learning objectives so that students know what they are learning.
Okay, thank you. The last question is what method does Miss Leni use to teach in class?
1. Method where the lecturer speaking to the class, explaining concept, providing information, and giving example. 2. Interactive discussion where students can ask questions if they feel there is material they haven't understood. 3. Assessment and feedback. Its main lecturer giving quizzes, tests, assessment, and project to assess student understanding.
Okay. The argument is thank you for the answer. Previously, I analyzed several methods that are widely used by lecturer. And the 3 methods that you have mentioned were included in the result of my analysis. Apart from that, group assignment and also project assignment can be used as a teaching method by lecturer. Based on the answer you have given, the effectiveness of teaching method can vary depending on many factors, including the subject, learning objective, lecturer preference, and student characteristic. Most university and lecturer use a mix of different teaching methods to achieve balanced learning outcomes. Apart from that, there are several examples of interesting methods used by lecturer in teaching. Active engagement, actively interact with students during class. encourage question, discussion, and feedback to improve their understanding. Problem-based learning teach concept and generating relevant the world problems. So student can connect theory with practice. Structure material, good organization of material, use and offline, an important point and logical flow to make understanding easier. Well, this is our interview session. We are very grateful to Miss Leni who took the time to interview us. Thank you also to our friends who were willing to work together to make this session interview possible. We will excuse ourselves.
Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dadah.